They say buy once, cry once, but at over $500 for the Vyper Industrial Robust Steel Max, will the tears continue? Whew, that was a mouthful. Stick around and see if it's worth the hefty price tag. I've had the chair for about a year now and I've been putting it through its paces. Before that, I had a series of office chairs and small stools, but they all fell short.
The bar's high.
Right.
The bar's high for me.
Office chairs are a little large and unwieldy for my small shop, and stools lack adjustment and stability. Both tend to have small casters that get hung up on debris and air cylinders that eventually leak. More importantly, I always struggle to get comfortable while welding, and if you weld, you know that comfort is critical. So I decided to bite the bullet and try the Vyper. I opted for the Robust Steel Max with black frame, brown leather, and the quick height adjustment. The base is wide and stable. The casters are large and roll smoothly, even over rough floors and debris. Vyper even includes caster locks. The build quality is top-notch and the seat is super comfortable. I use it primarily for welding and general mechanic duties, but I also use it for detailing and filming, as you can see. The Robust Steel Max is a huge improvement over my previous shop chairs. It's comfortable for long sessions, the base is stable, the casters are smooth, and the build quality is second to none. It's a nice chair, but it's not perfect. The casters in certain situations can be a bit too smooth and the chair can get away from you. The caster locks are a bit finicky and could be improved. And the wide base can occasionally be a hindrance in a small workshop. So is it worth a hefty price tag? Like most things, that all depends.
Move this man!
I definitely don't see myself ever replacing this chair. I might even buy a second if I ever get a larger shop. $500 is a lot of money to spend on a chair, but I'm a tool at it. It's been a great chair and it's nice to look at, but I'm not you. Ultimately, you'll have to decide, but I do hope this information's made that a little easier. In addition to the Robust Steel Max, Vyper makes some other great products. There's the Elevated Steel Max, a slightly taller version of the Robust Steel. There's the Robust Steel Sport, a budget-friendly option, and they also make a creeper and several stool options. Would I buy it again? Sure. Thankfully, I don't think I'll ever need to due to the amazing build quality. It's worth the premium if you struggle to find the right shop chair and spend a lot of time sitting to work. Have a Vyper? Thinking of getting one? Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any future garage tested reviews.